Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another great product review. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button, and be sure to go to ChrisVossPodcastNetwork.com to see all the cool podcasts we have. This is from NKDnutrition.com, a company called Naked Nutrition. These guys make some pretty interesting products. What's really cool about them is they make nutritional products on their website. You can find a whole mess of great workout stuff and everything else, meal replacement as this is, different stuff. But what they do is they try and make it as pure as possible. They try and take out all those chemicals and things that you can't read on the back of the label, etc., etc. So we got a chance to try this out. They sent us a meal replacement shakes powder big jug, and I've been using it for about 2 weeks now. And I gotta tell you, I'm super impressed with it. It makes an excellent meal replacement sort of thing you can take and have, especially in the morning. I noticed it really helped me by skipping the big breakfast, and you can have a nice, clean, easygoing breakfast with drinking their meal shake. And then, of course, I found that it just feels good, tastes good. Really loved it in milk. Didn't like it too much in water, but mixed with milk, it tastes really good. And some of the things that are unique about this, it has grass-fed whey from small dairy farms in California with ingredients you can understand when you read the back of the label. You can actually know what's in it. You can see it and go, oh, okay, that sounds good. It's got no added sweeteners, flavors, or colors. That's probably why you don't like it too much in water, or at least I didn't. But it's wonderful in milk, let me tell you. 20 grams of protein, 5 grams of healthy fat, and 4 grams of dietary fiber per serving. Only 15 ingredients with both pre- and probiotics and organic-based food, vitamins, and minerals. It's GMO free, soy free, and gluten free, growth hormone free, no RBGH or RBST, and it's keto friendly. So wow, I mean, doesn't that blow your mind? It's a wonderfully well made, beautiful meal shake, and it doesn't have all the 50 trillion chemicals on it. In fact, they post on their website, you can see they post the ingredients. So very simple, very easy to do, very clean sort of food. And if you have issues with gluten or soy or growth hormones, all that sort of stuff, this is made for that. And you'll find a lot of other stuff that's on their website that's made for people who just like, let's call it clean eating. Anyway, I highly recommend it. I really enjoyed my experience with it, and I'm going to keep doing it. So go to NKD Nutrition, that's Naked Nutrition. You can go to nkdnutrition.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button. We'll see you next time.